In today's fast-paced workplaces, employees expect quick, convenient, and enjoyable dining experiences. Managing canteen operations efficiently is essential, and that's where SFT Bites comes in. SFT Bites is a smart canteen management system designed to simplify operations. From digital meal ordering and cashless payments to inventory tracking and automated reporting, everything is streamlined in one platform. SFT Bites features. SFT Bites is an all-in-one food ordering and canteen management platform designed for businesses and users. It simplifies vendor onboarding, menu curation, and time slot scheduling, while offering a seamless mobile app for browsing, ordering, and secure payments. Install now. With real-time insights, reduced wastage, and faster service, SFT Bites ensures your canteen runs efficiently while keeping employees satisfied. Vendor management, manage vendors, effortlessly handles vendor registration, service tracking, and contact details. Menu and meal management, craft your perfect menu. Lets admins organize and update food items with categories and images. Time slot and day, wise availability. Serve meals on schedule. Enables time-based menu availability for each day. Order management and analytics track and optimize orders. Centralized system for order tracking and performance insights. User mobile app. Craft your perfect menu. A user-friendly app to browse menus, place orders, and enjoy timely meals without waiting in line. Notification and alerts. Stay updated. Always sends automated alerts for orders, payments, and deliveries. Pricing and tax configuration. Smart pricing. Simplified manages dynamic pricing and tax settings across regions. Embrace a whole new world of possibilities, opportunities, and progress with SFT Warehouse multi-product IT suite that empowers businesses with integrated, scalable solutions. Contact information. Ready to simplify your corporate dining? Visit www.shamfuture.com today and discover how SFT Bites can transform your canteen operations.